That's right. I am back. Day Trading Fearless is back on YouTube. Where have I been? What have I been doing for almost the last year? Well, we're going to talk about that in this video and what the future plans are for myself and with my channel and everything moving forward. So, with that being said, if you guys don't know who I am, my name is Jason. I've been day trading the futures market, stocks, options for the last 23 plus years. I've worked for online brokerage firms, so I think I might know what I'm doing. Been doing YouTube for probably 6 years, and then all of a sudden last July, August, I went dark. Didn't tell anybody what was going on, but I'm going to discuss everything in this video. So essentially, a year ago, I sold everything I owned. Sold my house, my car, all my belongings, and I said, I'm going to go travel around the world. Well, guess what? It's almost a year later, and I've been in 20 different countries. I'm currently in Portugal right now. Been here for a few weeks, and then I head off to England in a couple weeks. But over the last year, I really had to take a break. I had to kind of refocus on myself. I've been doing this stock market thing for the last 23 years. I really needed to take a break. Did I trade during that time? Yes and no. There are times where, especially in Europe, the markets don't open till 2:30 or 3:30 in the afternoon. Then when I was in Thailand, Bali, Japan, markets didn't open till 9:30 or even 10:30 in Japan. So my trading has changed. And just like anything, trading has to evolve. But the crazy part is I still do what I've always done. It's just instead of sitting in front of the computer for maybe 5 or 6 hours a day, I'm kind of doing it for 20 minutes at a time. I've been doing a lot more mobile trading, just looking for setups, looking for quick little moves, and then I'll shut the thing down. I have seen that works better. If my very first trade is a winner, I'm done for the day. Okay. And one of those things is it has really taught me that is where my best trading is because I'm most fresh. I kind of see the market. I'm not kind of deep into it. I see it from a lean back perspective and it really helps. And I'm going to kind of discuss this over the next few weeks, months of different ways to trade and all that. But with that being said, I feel refreshed. I feel like, hey, I want to jump back on YouTube. I want to start making videos, content educational for the people who appreciate this. You guys know me. I try and call it as it is. Trading is not that very hard. Look at this, right? You guys saw I drew this line before I even started this video. Where did price go? Right to that line and reverse. It's not that hard if you know what to look for, right? So, where are my future plans of what I'm going to do in the future? Well, I'm going to try and do 1 to 2 videos per week, educational videos. I've revamped my entire day trading course. It's now called Day Trading Made Easy. 2 things. If you were a prior customer of mine with the day trading course that I had, send me an email, jason@daytradingfearless.com. I'll grant you access to the new course because I moved everything. I built a brand new ecosystem with system.io. And I have the course hosted there. I've recorded some new content on there. So, but like I said, with me, whenever you buy something, it's kind of for lifetime. So if you guys want access to that, just send me an email. I'll verify your email that you purchased in the past, and I will send you all the information to where you can log in. If you're new and you don't know what the course is, essentially it's my top 4 or 5 day trading strategies that I teach. It's a very simple, very basic. It's literally like this, right? You look for certain things, you draw things, and you take the trade. So it's currently the price has risen from when I used to sell it. It's $4.95, but if you guys want, there's a link down below for a coupon code, $200 off. It's over 9 hours of video content. But off that, where am I going in the future? I'm going to start doing a lot more trading videos again. I'm going to try and bump up the quality of the videos to be a lot better. And essentially of what I do every single day, what I teach in my course, and more the psychology side. I think you'll see a lot of videos where I'm just talking like this versus what's a MACD, things like that. Getting deeper into the psychology of it. So hopefully that helps you guys. Let me know in the comments what type of videos you would love for me to do, you would like to see from me, and I will look into that and try and make those videos for you guys. Also, I do have a free ebook, which is on the Waterfall trade. Again, a link down below. Sign up for the ebook. It's free. I'll email directly to you. It's probably one of my bread and butter trades. It's been working for as long as I've known, and I'll probably keep working into the future. Just like all my trade setups, they are all evergreen. They work in all market conditions. It's just understanding what to look for. Also thinking about doing a live Zoom call, maybe an hour to 2 hours per week, doing just a Q&A, maybe a little day trading, seeing what the market has to do, but try and get a small little group on here. If you guys want that, let me know. There will be a fee attached to it, but nothing outrageous. And try and do those probably 4 times a month, once a week. And then what else? That's about it. I'm still traveling, kind of living my best life. I have a whole new perspective on life. If you could travel, I would definitely travel. So with that being said, keep an eye out. Make sure you guys hit the like, subscribe. You know the deal, and we'll talk to you soon.